In this lecture, you will know the meaning of conventional and non-conventional fibers and what are the reasons for the search for non-conventional fibers. It is time to understand the terms conventional and non-conventional fibers. Before non-conventional fibers are to be understood, it is better to probe into the term conventional fibers. The fibers that are used in daily lives are obviously conventional fibers. If we talk about conventional fibers based on basic material, one may easily pronounce cotton, silk, wool, or synthetics. With scientific development, rayon, both acetate rayon and viscose rayon, as well as synthetics, has been added in the list of conventional fibers. Non-conventional fibers. What is the meaning of non-conventional fibers? Fibers which are not in regular usage for apparels, home textiles or technical textiles are called non-conventional fibers. Many natural fibers used in yesteryears are forgotten. We ignored many wonderful natural products that were conventional during those times but became non-conventional later. Okay, what are the reasons for search of non-conventional fibers? The method of manufacturing textiles in the modern era causes pollution to considerable extent. Manufacturing of synthetic fibers causes pollution. Consumption of natural resources, that means considering textiles from natural resources, the consumption is increasing. Even renewable resources are becoming non-renewable.